In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review your social media performance in Hootsuite Analytics. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to make sense of the numbers so you can double down on what's working and fix what isn't. Start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Once you're in the dashboard, head straight to Analytics. This is your command center for performance, bringing together insights from your connected social profiles in one place. Give it a moment to load, especially if you manage multiple accounts, and you'll see options to tailor what you're reviewing. Next, choose the social accounts you want to review. You can look at everything together for a high-level view, or focus on a single platform if you're answering a specific question, like how your Instagram Reels are performing compared to your LinkedIn posts. Being intentional here helps you avoid noise and get to the insights faster. Now, select the report or dashboard you want to use. If you're doing a quick health check, an overview dashboard works well. If you're evaluating specific content, a post-level or campaign-focused view gives more detail. The goal is to match the report to your question, awareness, engagement, or traffic, so the data is immediately useful. With your report open, check the core metrics. Engagement shows how people interact, likes, comments, shares, and saves, indicating how compelling your content is. Reach tells you how many unique people saw your post, while impressions reflect total views, including repeat views by the same person. Followers track your audience size and growth. Look for steady increases rather than spikes that don't sustain. Clicks reveal how often people took the next step, which is crucial if you care about website visits or conversions. Use this data to understand which posts are performing best. Look for patterns among your top posts. The format, the topic, the tone, the visual style, even the length of captions. Notice timing. Did posts published at certain hours consistently reach more people? Compare high reach with high engagement. A post that reaches many but doesn't spark interaction might be great for awareness, while a post with fewer views but strong engagement can signal deeper resonance. If clicks matter to you, identify the posts that drive the most traffic and study what made the call to action clear and compelling. Wrap up by noting your key takeaways and how they map to your goals. Use what you've learned to refine your next batch of content, focusing on the formats and messages that consistently deliver results.